today we are
witches.
I have something awesome for you guys that you guys are gonna love. All October we're gonna be doing awesome Halloween looks.
For sure, they're gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
But you know what the coolest part is? You guys get to help vote on what you want to see Daya and her family do.
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty fun. And PopJam is sponsoring this video, you guys.
So they are paying us to talk about their awesome app where you can go over there and vote on what look you want to see next.
Yes. PopJam is an awesome free app, you guys.
It is so cool. You can go on there and create your own profile. You can post pictures. You can do art. Daya loves doing the art. And you can do quizzes. You can do polls like we're going to do for you guys to vote. And it's just an awesome place and an awesome community.
So let's show you our first poll and how to vote.
So this Halloween, you get to pick the next looks that we're gonna do. So all you have to do is download the app for free on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then you can create a profile and vote on which look you want to see next. So we're gonna vote what we want to do next. We're gonna go into Daya's profile.
You guys can follow me at Daya Daily. Go on there to take the poll and then choose Princess or Dora.
So what are we gonna vote for? Which look do you want to do? We're gonna vote for
Dora.
We're voting for Dora because Daya's never done Dora before.
Nope. Now I've cast my vote. Now you guys go and vote. Make sure you go vote on PopJam now. Anybody can join the app and anybody can get followers on the app. We're gonna be doing these videos for the rest of October.
And you can vote on PopJam, the ones that you guys want to see next.
Check out my PopJam channel at Daya Daily.
And vote on the look that you guys want to see next.
Now if you want to see how to get these witch looks, just keep on watching. Woo, 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 woo.
Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble, fire, burn, and cauldron bubble. First thing we need is to add in our
spider venom
and our witch's potion.
Bubble,
bubble, toil and trouble.
Let's see what we have here today. Concealer.
Powder.
Well, I'm putting on concealer.
And I already have my base on. I am just adding a little bit of powder.
Just pretty much putting it in the normal places I would.
I can't wait to see the looks that they vote on.
Yeah, I can't wait.
It's gonna be awesome. Halloween is like Daya's favorite time of year because she's got like all the costumes and all the makeup, so it's perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on my cheeks, and I'm going to use this pink right here, light pink.
I'll blend it in. Now I'm gonna use some powder.
You want to put this on what's called the apples of your cheeks, which if you smile, you see these little apples. And I like to even put a little bit on my nose. Just sun-kissed everywhere.
Yeah.
Would you like some blush?
Of
What color?
that one.
Same one?
Yep.
Let me see those apples. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Want a little on your nose? Witches kind of have chiseled cheeks, so we're just going to do that a little bit.
What
Like
brush
fish
do I
face.
use? Instead of doing like green witches, we're doing like pretty witches.
Yes, that is true. So I'm going to start on my eyeshadow primer before we actually get into our eyeshadow. A good eyeshadow primer will make sure that all of your eyeshadows look super bright and that they blend really well. now we need our potion for our eyeshadow. 1, 2, Witch's Brew.
Let's see what we have today.
Beautiful. I'm gonna do purple. Yeah, I'm gonna start with kind of a pink color in my crease.
I'm gonna start with a purple.
What motion are we doing?
Windshield wiping, windshield wiping. So now that I'm done with this purple, I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna use this really like sparkly color just on top.
Now that I have the pink laid down, I'm gonna add a little bit of a darker purple in the lower part. And an even darker purple. This will be the darkest purple.
I'm gonna take that same color and pop it right on top. Glittery purple. And I'm gonna take black.
I'm going to add a metallic purple.
On my lid, you're gonna be wondering, why are you adding black? It's because I'm going to blend these colors together. And witches are not all just like pink, purple, and blue. Witches like black too.
Then I'm taking the blending brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of that purple and just blend it into the colors above. There's the purple. I'm gonna take that same purple and put it underneath my lashes too.
Now, I'm just going to blend those colors together so that it doesn't look like it's just black and then purple.
I'm just using a fluffy brush to really smoke it out so that the color fades down my eyes. Then I'm taking the pink color underneath. And it kind of looks like I'm taking it really low right now, but trust me, it'll look really cool when we're done.
Alright, now that I did that, I'm gonna take this color again and I'm just gonna pop it back on.
Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of purple eyeliner to my inside of my eye.
I'm putting this black in my waterline.
Right now I have some lashes on, but I want even bigger lashes. So I'm gonna switch out my lashes and add a little bit of black eyeliner.
I'm actually gonna put black under my eyes.
Giving myself a little bit of a cat eye because I'm a witch and witches have cats.
I'm gonna do some liner.
Daya, will you do a spell for my lashes?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Lashes fly high to the sky.
Thank you, Daya.
You're welcome.
Lashes are done. Now, let's do a spell for glitter.
Glitter,
glitter, appear here.
Let's see what it brings us today.
Beautiful glitters.
Before I add the glitter, I am adding adding a special part to one of my sides. I don't really know.
I'm just going to darken my eyebrows a little bit.
I'm putting a web actually.
There we go. So you're just drawing the lines out, and then we're going to connect little lines in between, little U's.
And now I'm gonna take this purple liner, add just some purple into it.
Ooh, good idea. And I'm gonna add a little bit of silver to the inner corners of my eyes. A little bit like that, and then I'm just gonna fade it out with a little brush. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of stars on top of it.
Now I'm just gonna kind of add like little stars with this white kind of in between.
And I'm gonna add some around my eyes too.
Now I'm gonna be taking some, people call this unicorn skin. First, to put it in, to stick it on my face, we're using this kind of glue stuff. And I'm just kind of putting it like by my web. Stars.
Now I'm gonna use some highlight powder. Look at it, it's got a skull in it. It's really light. It's kind of got like a purple color to it.
Now I'm gonna put some just stars everywhere.
I'm gonna use this stencil to add some of these little stars. I'm just gonna take some purple eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna use the glue and add a little bit of purple glitter. Any parts where you got outside of the stencil, just clean it up with a makeup wipe.
I'm just gonna add some stars to lips of every color. Appear here.
Ooh, purple.
All right,
I'm gonna do purple on the outside and silver on the inside.
I'm gonna do black on the outside and white on the inside. I have a mustache. So I'm putting it in here, and then watch when I smush it. So it's just like this, and then blend it in.
Pretty.
I look like a spider witch.
I'm gonna add a little silver glitter to the center.
So here's mine.
I'm just going to add a spider web on my neck. I'm gonna roll on some glitter onto my neck first. Now we're gonna draw the web.
I'm gonna add some of this like body roller glitter stuff.
I'm just gonna finish by adding a little bit of white. I just added a little bit of eyeshadow into the web, and now I'm just adding these white lines to kind of give it some highlight spots. Now I'm gonna add some stars and it will be done.
Now we have our wigs on.
Now for the final spell. Every witch needs
A
hat. Witches need hats. Put a hat on that. Oh, look at our cute hats.
Yeah, mine has like a little rose right there.
And it's pink.
Yeah, yours is black and purple.
Perfect.
This is the final look, guys. What do you think about witches? Woo, 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 woo. And remember, guys, to download the app, PopJam.
Or free on the App Store or the Google Play Store. We'll also link it in the description box for you guys.
Make sure you follow me on PopJam, and I'll be following some of you guys back. Please, please, please vote for what look you want us to do next.
It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see what you guys vote.
Are you doing it with me?
Maybe, if they vote on the right one,
We vote on the right one.
we might do it together again. And Kaysa might be in it too.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!